How to solve HP printer error state. 1. Restart printer and computer. Turn off the printer, unplug it from power, wait 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Restart your computer as well. 2. Check printer connections. For USB, ensure the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and the computer. For network, Wi-Fi, confirm the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. If using Ethernet, check the cable and router connection. 3. Set printer as default. On Windows, go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click your HP printer and select Set as Default Printer. On Mac, go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your HP printer and set it as default if needed. 4. Clear print queue. Open the print queue on your computer. Cancel or delete all pending print jobs. Try printing a test page again. 5. Update or reinstall printer driver. Download the latest driver for your printer model from the HP support website. Uninstall the current driver. Install the updated driver and restart your computer. 6. Run HP Print and Scan Doctor, Windows. Download and run the HP Print and Scan Doctor tool from HP's website. It will automatically diagnose and fix common printer issues. 7. Check for hardware issues. Ensure there is no paper jam or low ink toner. Open the printer and check for any stuck paper or foreign objects. Replace ink cartridges if necessary. 8. Reset the printer. Find the Reset option in your printer's settings menu or press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.